How to shop on Nike website. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Nike and search for it. Different website links will appear. Click on this one, Nike.com. You'll be directed to the official website of Nike. Now, at the top right, you're going to find different icons. Click on this one icon. Now, type in your Nike account's credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. I can head over to the section from where you want to purchase shoes, top and shirts, hoodies and pullovers, jackets and vests, pants and ties, and many more. Head towards any of the items that you want to purchase. Just click on the item. Now I can select the size. Then you can click on Add to Bag. Now I can click on Checkout. Now you have to provide delivery options, whether you want to ship or pick up. Fill this and then click on Save and Continue. And in the next page, you have to provide your payment details and confirm your order. With that, your order will be placed. Well, this way you can easily shop on Nike website. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.